Today we're going to be changing the oil on a 2014 BMW X1 twin powered turbo. And there's where you're going to put the oil, and this is where the oil filter is at. It's up on the top. This is a XDRIVE 28i. So again, here's the oil filter, and here's where the oil goes. And under the car is where the where you drain the oil. We'll look at that. Okay, so we're under the car, and under the car, there's gonna be a little cap right here, where you're gonna find the oil plug. So you just twist this that way, and then it'll just open, and then you'll find the oil plug bolt right here. So we're just gonna loosen up that bolt. We're gonna let it drain into our pan. Whenever it's draining, we're also gonna change the oil filter. What I like to do, I like to go ahead and take this cap off. Let's see. There you go. So this comes off. So you can just put it back on whenever you're ready. And then I'm gonna unscrew that screw right. And now that it's loosened, I'm gonna go ahead and completely loosen it. We can see the oil coming out. Just let it drain. As we're letting it drain, I go ahead and open the top. That way it allows air. Okay. And now we're going to take off the oil filter. On these cars, they have this, where you can just put it over the top and then it'll unscrew. This one is too small. It won't fit. So I'm just gonna do it the manual way, which also works just as well. But one of these would be easier. So what I'm gonna do, I have this right here. Just gonna twist it open with this. It's already loosened it a little bit. Once we got it loosened up, you just grab it with your hand. So what we're going to want to do, make sure we put some type of napkins here, because as you take it off, it will drip a little bit. And then it's loose. You put your napkins right here. So there's the filter. It's inside the cap. Okay, so this filter goes inside where the cap's at. So we're going to take that off. Okay, comes off like that. There's going to be a little bit of oil inside. You would just have to drain it in the drain tank. Now the new the new filter, I got an STP. The new one is going to have a new little, the rubber gasket that goes right here, the red one, is going to have a new one of those, and it's also going to have the one right here, and that goes around it. Oops. So we're going to be replacing those two also. So what we do with the little rubber band, with the little gasket here, you take a flathead screwdriver, just take it out, and also this one here. Has a little groove where it actually goes in. And there it is. Now we're going to put the new filter. So we're going to put the new filter. They have the same opening. Some of them have it different, but this one has the same opening on one side and on the other. Okay. So this will just pop right in here. Make sure it goes all the way down. You can feel when it goes all the way down. Okay, so that's it. So now what we're going to do, we're going to screw this back in. Okay. Okay. So this, you just go right back in here. First I tighten it by hand. And then tighten it with this. That's good. Need to clean up a little bit in case there's any oil that dripped. And you'll know whenever it's tight because it won't go any further. Okay, so you'll tighten it and then it'll come to a point where it doesn't move any further. That's when you know that it's tight. Inside the bag also comes with a washer, and that washer is to replace the plug screw washer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Yeah, this one might be okay, but I'll just go ahead and replace it since I got a new one. And put the washer in there. Then I'm gonna put it back in. Alright. So now that it has drained all the way, we're gonna go ahead and put the screw back in. I'm gonna get my wrench, which is a number 17. I'm gonna tighten it. Okay, That's it. And then I'm gonna get a towel, clean this up a little bit. Then I'll put the cover back on. Now we're gonna put the cover back on. Goes like that. And after there, we're just gonna twist this. Now we're going to put in the oil. What we're going to do, we're going to take this off. Here it'll tell you what's the recommended oil. BMW, Castrol, of course. Okay. It don't tell you what kind. But you can put a old 30 or old 20. I asked at the auto parts store. This is what they gave me. Euro full synthetic STP old 30. And this this particular vehicle is a 4-cylinder. It has a capacity of 5.8 liters with, it's an all-wheel drive with a filter. So about 6 of these, and we're going to be pouring those in there. What we're going to do, make sure you have a funnel, make sure it's clean. Put the funnel in there. Once you have the funnel in there, you're going to start pouring in the oil. And that's all. I put the cap back on and it'll snap in place, so you know whenever it's tight. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.